Welcome back to Generation X. I'm Kim. I'm Edith, and today I'm doing Sisley's, which I've had for like 4 days now. We are doing back-to-back videos, so I'm sure you guys will see us in the same thing, but we want to say Merry Christmas in this video because we do not know which
or have a good week if you don't celebrate any holidays.
Or have a good holiday season if we missed you, like this is after Christmas or something. Well, I should show you what it looks like when I open it, but it just kind of like falls, open, and
it's always just a small little tiny package.
And this is the brand that I paid, I think, $100 or $112 for the entire year, something like that. Not too expensive. It always comes with a card saying Sisley of Paris. It is from Paris. Yeah, Sisley would love. And it shows you like what you get, which I was hoping for some cleansers. Actually, I'm running low on my cleansers. But there's no other brands other than Sisley. It's all Sisley branded. It's not, you won't find anything else in here. So just, it's not like a Sephora or anything. So the first thing I have is serum concentrated, or firming concentrated serum, reading like the French way or whatever. Which I can use serums. I have a lot of
more serums and cleansers.
Right? But yeah, I need ones like I need something for the eye that can go near the eye and not like burn my eye. Izia, I think this is like what I got before, except it was regular perfume. Izia, I don't know how you say it.
Body lotion.
Hubert Isabel Dormano. Yeah, moisturized perfume body lotion. I don't need perfume body lotion, but I mean maybe I can use it on my parts of skin that are less dry because I don't want to upset my dry skin. And then I got Hair Ritual by Sisley, regenerating hair care mask with 4 botanical oils. Apply to wash and damp hair, distribute from massage the scalp and leave it for 10 minutes. Maybe a giveaway. Who's got time for 10 minutes to leave something? I can barely leave something in my hair for 5 minutes, so, but maybe. Let's see, this is Hydra Global Serum Anti-Aging Hydration Booster. That's cool, but it's so tiny. But of course these are all, as I said, of course these are very just small, as I said. Let's see, I know I got 2 more things. Please be cleanser. Velvet Nourishing Cream with Saffron Flowers. Nourishes and moisturizes, protects the skin during the day and repairs it at night. So you'd think you'd want to wear it at night, but but I could wear it during the day, I guess, too. I've got so many like moisturizers and stuff that I'm running lower, but I still have a lot. And this one, I think, is a lipstick, which I don't think I've ever gotten a lipstick from them. Phyto Lip Twist. Oh, it's a lip twist. So let's see. Can you hold this? I know I'm going to end up dropping it, probably among other. I've got lots of stuff on my laps for my other videos, the other videos. But this looks, it looks pretty. My poor dry skin. But that's what it looks like. If you can see, it's a pretty color. Not as, red as you would think for Christmas or something, but it's nice. They never give me stuff like that. And it's probably really creamy because their products seem to be really, really nice for the skin. So that was all I got today in this video. If you saw anything you liked, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. We're doing another one at 200 subscribers. Tell your friends. It's really easy to subscribe. And we'll catch you in our next video. Take care. Bye.